There is this saying that I think will suit today really well. You will never be completely at home again, because part of your heart will always be elsewhere. That is the price that you pay for the richness of loving and knowing people in more than one place. And I think tonight's the night when we really do all feel like at home, because all of you guys are here and it's just fantastic. So just terviseks to all of you for being here, and we love you all, and this day could not be any better.
Follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done. Breathe in the air, set your intentions, dream with care. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, a brand new moon and brand new sun. Follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love. Breathe in the air, cherish this moment, cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, a brand new moon, a brand new sun. When you feel life coming down on you like a heavy weight, when you feel this crazy society adding to the strain, take a stroll to the nearest water's edge. Remember your place. Many moons have risen and fallen long before you came. So which way is the wind blowing? And what does your heart say? Follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done.